Today, I'm going to teach you how to reclaim host in Zoom. This is particularly useful when you've temporarily transferred hosting duties to someone else during a meeting and need to take back control of the host features. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that originally created or scheduled the meeting, as this will be important for reclaiming host privileges later. Once you're logged in, join the meeting where you need to reclaim host status. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link or by entering the meeting ID directly through the Zoom interface. When you enter the meeting, you'll initially be a regular participant since someone else currently holds the host role. Now, look at the bottom toolbar of your Zoom window. Here you'll find various controls for managing your meeting experience. Click on the Participants button. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen showing everyone who's currently in the meeting. This panel is where you'll manage all participant-related actions, including host transfers. At this point, let me explain how host transfer works in Zoom so you understand the full picture. If you want another participant to become host, you would navigate to that participant's name in the right panel, click the three dotted lines next to their name, and select Make Host, then click Change Host. This is how hosting privileges get transferred in the first place. Understanding this process helps you see why reclaiming host is necessary when you want control back. Now, for the key step, in the bottom right panel where all participants are listed, look for the option that says Reclaim Host. Click on Reclaim Host. This button only appears for the original meeting creator or someone with reclaim privileges. Once you click it, you'll immediately regain all host controls, including the ability to mute participants, manage breakout rooms, record the meeting, and control screen sharing permissions. And there you have it. You've successfully reclaimed host status in your Zoom meeting, giving you back full control over the session's features and settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.